sir. I know this guy, paid audience. Sir, what are you doing now?
I just completed my MBA.
You completed your MBA from? I am Bangalore. Is that lady with you?
Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately, yes. See, that's the confidence you get after you do your MBA after engineering. Sir, सीखिए. You need an MBA? You need an MBA? तभी आप गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खा सकते हैं. Ma'am, what do you do apart from him? Like
I also completed my MBA.
from
IBS Hyderabad.
IBS Hyderabad. Wow, that's a variety right there. Oh, and अभी आप लोग फिर जॉब करने वाले होगे. Very. What are you guys going to work in? Like this, which field?
Working in the consulting field.
Consulting field. Look at the confidence the guy has. He's like, आज मेरे को ये बंदी को कुछ बोलने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. मैं अपना इंट्रो दूंगा और मेरा काम हो गया. And ma'am, what about you? Analyst. You got placed? Wow, that's great. लोग BA करते हैं, पहले बेकार आदमी होते हैं, फिर MBA करते हैं, महा बेकार आदमी लगेंगे. Great, ma'am. Ma'am, you are here with your kid. That's great. Do you have any idea that there are going to be some things in this show that your kid wouldn't understand, and she's going to look at you the same way she's looking at you right now?
But she will enjoy it.
But she will. You see, that's Indian parenting right there. She will make sure that her daughter enjoys. वरना थप्पड़ मार के भी काम हो सकता है. What is she doing, ma'am?
What is she doing?
Yeah.
She's studying.
Of course she's studying. I meant, what is she doing here tonight? Like, were you so confident about bringing her to this show?
I had to because no one was there at home.
No one was there at home. Great, man. Great.
I wanted to watch the comedy show.
You wanted to watch the comedy show. Again, forced Indian parenting part 2. मुझे देखना है तो मेरी बेटी साथ चलेगी. She doesn't have an option. बेटा आप साइंस लोगे, आपको पता है ना. मैं 6 साल पहले से ही बोल दे रहा हूँ इसको. That's your future. आप इंजीनियर बनोगे. What are your plans for her in the future? Is it the same that I said? No? You don't know what she will do. अभी से भरोसा उठ गया.
She will decide.
She will decide. Wow. Are you a millennial, ma'am? You are a millennial. That's great. Can we have a round of applause for this beautiful mother-daughter here? That's great. It requires a lot of courage to bring your own daughter to this kind of a comedy show. क्योंकि मेरी शक्ल पे ही लिखा है. शक्ल पे ही लिखा है कि आज ये कुरेद देगा.
देखा तो शक्ल अच्छा लगा तभी लेके आई.
शक्ल अच्छा लगा? Wow. Madam, she is 6 right now. थोड़ा जल्दी नहीं हो गया रिश्ते के लिए. Moving on. Hi, sir.
Hello.
You look like the kind of guy who updates statuses on Facebook.
Yes.
I'll tell you what kind of status. I love walking in the rain so that nobody can see my tears. One like. He has liked it. Yes. Are you here alone or are you here with friends? You are alone? लगा था. शक्ल पे ही लिखा है. आप काफी ताली बजा रहे हैं. आप भी अलोन है. वाह यार, पता नहीं था काफी लाने वाले आ गए हैं. लेकिन एंड आप लोग साथ में हैं. चलो फाइनली. These guys look like different phases of a relationship. अकेला कोई चॉइस ही नहीं तो बंदे को ही ले जाओ. What do you guys do? What do you mean?
I work for our own company, the Builder Group.
You work for Aditya Birla Group. ठीक है. You should be confident in saying that. आपकी फट क्यों रही है? Like, I have no jokes on Aditya Birla. I did not prepare any jokes on Aditya Birla Group.
Maybe over the time आपको कुछ jokes आएंगे तो we will get back to you.
ये क्या मुजरा है? आपको जोक्स आएंगे तो सुना देना. हाथ में गजरा भी पहन के आ जाते हैं. नाच.
गजरा पहन लेता है.
गजरा क्या?
घुंघरू अगर आप पहनते तो मैं गजरा पहन लेता.
You know, after saying that, he had his tongue out. क्यों जीप क्यों निकाल रहे हो? I'm not interested right now. I'm just talking, sir. मैं अभी तक लाइन मारना स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया. Sir, are you? इनकी तो फटी गई. इन्होंने डायरेक्ट बोल दिया कि भाई मैं बिजनेस करता हूँ, आगे मत पूछना. Cool, sir. Cool. सबके मजे नहीं लेता मैं. It's all good. It's all good. Man, I wish I could just talk to you guys throughout the show. Because my jokes would have been saved for the next show. मजा आया? ठीक है, अगली बार आएंगे फिर से. नए jokes सुनेंगे. I'll get back to you guys. You were laughing a lot. I have to get back to you. You look very happy. Are you with her?
She's my cousin.
इसे कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं जोक नहीं बना सकता इस पर. She is my cousin. Dude, Game of Thrones exists. It exists. मजा आया guys? मजा? That's a full house guys. That's a full house. Thank you so much for coming out guys.